Hello, everyone. Writing your novel is just the beginning. Think of marketing as the grand stage where you present your masterpiece to the world. Let's explore the strategies to ensure your book gets the spotlight it deserves. Understand the importance of marketing your novel. Learn key marketing strategies for authors. Explore ways to build an author platform. Discover how to network with other writers and industry professionals. The importance of marketing your novel. Marketing is essential because it increases visibility, helps your book stand out in a crowded market, builds your brand, establishes you as a recognizable author, drives sales, attracts readers, and generates revenue. Example, Amanda Hocking, a paranormal romance author, initially self-published her Trill trilogy on Amazon Kindle. She gained a massive following through aggressive pricing and online engagement, selling over 1 million ebooks before signing a traditional publishing deal. Key marketing strategies for authors. Understanding your audience. Identify your target audience. Know who your readers are, age, gender, interests. Tailor your marketing efforts. Customize your approach to appeal to your specific audience. Example, Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie, a celebrated author, employs a marketing strategy to connect with her audience. She actively participates in literary festivals and engages with her audience on social media. Additionally, she collaborates with institutions and organizations promoting literacy and education. Creating a strong book launch plan. Pre-launch, build anticipation with cover reveals, teaser chapters, and pre-order campaigns. Launch day, host events, such as book signings or virtual launch parties. Post-launch, continue promotion with interviews, book tours, and social media engagement. Example, to build buzz around The Silent Patient, the publisher launched a mysterious online campaign with teasers and hints about the plot, sparking curiosity and positioning the book as a must-read psychological thriller. Utilizing book reviews and endorsements. Seek reviews, reach out to book bloggers and influencers. Collect endorsements. Ask established authors or experts to endorse your book. Example, advance praise from renowned authors like Margaret Atwood and Salman Rushdie placed A Little Life by Hanya Yanagihara into the literary spotlight, boosting pre-order sales and ensuring widespread attention upon release. Building an author platform. Developing your online presence. Website. Create a professional author website with a blog, contact information, and book details. Newsletter. Build an email list to keep your audience informed about new releases and promotions. Example, author Veronica Roth's website features not only her published works, but also exclusive content, like deleted scenes and bonus chapters, attracting and rewarding her dedicated readership. Engaging on social media. Choose platforms wisely. Focus on platforms where your target audience is most active: Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Consistent engagement. Post regularly and interact with followers. Example, author Rainbow Rowell uses Twitter to interact with fans, share updates about her books, and participate in relevant conversations, building a strong connection with her audience. Networking with other writers and industry professionals. Joining writing communities. Online forums and groups. Engage with fellow writers on platforms like Reddit and specific writing forums. Writing workshops and conferences. Attend events to meet other writers and learn from industry professionals. Example, Pulitzer Prize winner Viet Thanh Nguyen credits literary communities and workshops for shaping his career. He actively engages with fellow writers, providing feedback and support. Collaborating with other writers. Cross-promotions. Partner with other authors to promote each other's books through newsletters and social media. Anthologies and joint projects. Participate in anthologies or co-author projects to reach wider audiences. Example, several indie authors collaborate on themed anthologies, each contributing a story and sharing the marketing efforts, thereby expanding their readership. Connecting with industry professionals. Agents and editors. Building relationships with agents and editors can open doors to publishing opportunities and valuable feedback. Publicists and marketers. Professional publicists and marketers can help you plan and execute effective promotional strategies. Example, networking with an experienced literary agent can provide valuable information about the publishing industry and assist you in contract negotiations. Assignment: develop a creative marketing plan for your novel by designing a series of social media posts, a book trailer, and a mock press release. Use Canva or similar tools to create visually appealing promotional materials. Closing thought: marketing your novel effectively can be just as important as writing it. By building a strong author platform, utilizing creative promotion strategies, and networking with others in the industry, you can maximize your book's reach and impact. Embrace the marketing journey with enthusiasm and creativity, and watch your hard work pay off as your story finds its audience. Wishing you great success in sharing your stories with the world.